In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil boot kit on this BMW 535i xDrive. This is going to be located underneath the engine cover. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove this cover, use a 13mm socket. There's a little wing nut right here. Just twist that to the left. There's a clamp over here. Using a straight blade screwdriver, just pop this off. It should flip up. And we'll disconnect the connectors. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. Disconnect this one as well. Grab the box. It's just the cabin air filter box. Pull that off. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're going to take this lock out. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, pop this little tab up, and then it slides out. Grab this weather strip, slide this up, pull that out of the way. Take this side panel off. You can do that on both sides. There's a screw right here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take the screw out and take the same screw off on the other side. Using a 13mm socket, loosen up these wing nuts. There's one right here. Just twist it to the left, right here, and then in the center, there. Then you can grab the panel, slides up, out of the way. We'll do the same on the other side. On this bracket, there's some push pins. I'm just going to take those off with a trim tool. Get underneath there, right there, right there. And just slide this bracket off these bars. Just like that. I'm going to remove these bars. Use a T45 socket. Take these bolts out. Center, there's two. Grab the bar, slide it right off. Take this cover off here, just pop this up. Take the wires out of this cover. These wires right here, we're just going to pull these out of the bracket, just kind of push these out of the way. If you need to, you can disconnect them on the other side. Same with this one. Just have those so they're not in your way. I'm going to use a bungee cord. Just to help having these out of the way, I'm just going to use a bungee cord. Just attach them to the wiper blades. Now we're going to take these screws out. Just use a 5mm hex socket. There's two in the front here. Oops, one of those fell. And then there should be two in the back here. They're missing on this vehicle. Grab the cover and pull it right off. I'm going to disconnect the connector on the coil. There's a lever right here. Just slide this up, disconnect the connector, and grab the coil. You just want to pull it straight out and try wiggling it back and forth a little bit. That pulls out. Now take the coil. We're going to take this boot off. I'm just using a straight blade screwdriver, just a pocket screwdriver, and then just get under here. Just twist that off. Pull that off. And there might be a spring. Pull the spring out. This spring is missing. Then this boot right here, I'm Gonna do the same, just get underneath there, go all the way around. And pull that off. Take the new boot of the upper seal, push this on. Get this to line up how it was when you took it off. You can even get under there with the screwdriver. Good, it's all lined up. Take the new spring, push that in place, and then take the boot, get that on, push that on, and you can reinstall it in the vehicle. I'll just take a small amount of dielectric grease just on the end. This is just so it's easier to take this off in the future. Slide that down in place. And push that down. Take the connector, line the connector up, lock it down, and you can do the same with the other ones. And take the cover, slide that back on, and take the bolts, get those started, and put the other bolt there and in the back. And down below. And tighten those all down. Now I'll just take the bungee cord off. Slide this down. And put these back in place down here. I'll take this bar, get that lined up. Get the bolts started. I'll tighten these down. Take this bracket, get the wires released through there, that lined up, push that on, then you can push the wires down once that's in the correct position. Now take the push pins, get those lined up, push those in. Good. And take this cover, this lined up. And push that in place. That's good. And put these covers in place. To line up. And just snug these down. That's good. Get the other one on. And put this side one on. And this panel right here, there is a little area where it slides into place. Get that to line up. And tighten the wing nut down. There. 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 There should be another one here. It's missing on this car. And the screw on the side here. Get that started. Tighten it down. Snug that down. Do the same on the other side. This lock in the middle. Get that lined up. Lock that in place. Line this cover up. That's good. And same on the other side. I'm going to take the cover with the cabin filter. Get that lined up in the back. Push this down. Push this lock in place. And take the wing nut and just twist that, lock that down. Take the connectors, get that lined up, plug that in there, and plug this one in here. That's good. And I'll take the other side cover with the filter, line that up, lock that down, tighten the wing nut. That's good. And we take the weather strip, get that lined up. Push that in place. Good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.